Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have 2 engine oil for Mitsubishi Outlander 2018, and you can use this to your Mitsubishi Outlander Sports. They both use 0W20. You see the reason why I got Castrol, because I have a good result with this Castrol. As you see, it has a shield. I ordered this from Amazon, and this one you can get this for $26, while this one I got this from Walmart online, and you can get this for $27. So what is the reason why I buy Castrol? If you guys are not quite familiar with Castrol, Castrol is a British brand and it's a good quality oil. And as you see, this is a Castrol Edge protection for 20,000 miles, 10 times better high stress performance, superior performance and protections in 7 critical area. And this is Dexosa Gen approved or Gen 3 for gasoline engine. This is an advanced fully synthetic, and they can guarantee protection for 20,000 miles. But I never changed my oil for that specific oil change interval. And if you see the back of this container, you can see all the benefits that you will get from this, the superior performance and protections in 7 critical areas. They can guarantee up to 20,000 miles. You can buy the Edge high mileage. I decided to get the Edge extended performance. And this you see Castrol and Castrol logo, trademark Castrol Limited. This is a British company owned, but they used to sell it in United States, and you can buy this from Amazon and either Walmart or either eBay. But I decided to buy this from Amazon online. While this one, this is a Pennzoil Ultra. This is a Dutch company, Ultra Platinum fully synthetic, carbon neutral, SAE 0W20, same protection as SAE 5W20, made from natural gas. There are a lot of good things. People get a good benefits using this 0W Pennzoil. I have a good result as well with this one. And if you turn the container, you can see all the things, the benefits that you will get. You see this Pennzoil motor oil, unsurpassed the wear protections, protection extreme temperature. So there are 3 Pennzoil that you can buy. One is platinum, and the other one is platinum high mileage, and that's the protections that they can guarantee for using the Ultra. You see, it comes with a 3-star. The only difference between this, the high mileage has a conditions of odor seal, while this Pennzoil Ultra doesn't have. And the extreme performance, it has extreme performance for the Ultra. Why I'm using this very nice oil, I decided to switch with this one, even though that I still have in stock of Pennzoil Ultra. The reason why I switched to Castrol, as you see, that's my minivan. I recently changed my oil from Pennzoil Ultra to Valvoline. From Pennzoil Ultra, I get 15 miles per gallon, 15 to 16 miles, while using the mobile one, I got 17 to 18 miles. While I'm using the Castrol, I got 21 to 23 miles per gallon city driving, and it's a good result that I get a better gas mileage from using the Castrol Edge. So if you guys never tried the Castrol Edge, I highly recommend you guys to use Castrol Edge. It's a good motor oil. So it's a good motor oil that you will not regret using it. I have a good result. And this is suitable as well for hybrid vehicle. You see, suitable for hybrid. And as you see the packaging from Amazon, before they don't use this tape, but I have a complaint before that I order an oil from them and it leaks. Even though they put a plastic cover, but it leaks. Somebody just opened the cap and broken the seal, and I complained. Now they decide. I told them that next time that you guys will send me an oil, that's the packaging that I'm telling you guys, the plastic, and they put it here. They put the seal. I told them to put a plastic seal on the top so that nobody can touch whatever whatever the shipping things that they do, whether the UPS or the shipping company neglected the oil, but this one it will not leak unless if they put a puncture, so they damage the side, it might gonna cause leak. But the one that I got before, it leaks from the top. Somebody just open it, probably the delivery guy curious and open it and take look at it. But as what I request from them, now they started to put a seal, which is the tape. This is a very nice tape seal, you see, it won't remove easily. Okay, and I guarantee that you guys have a good result by using Castrol Edge. I highly recommend you guys. This one is a good oil and Valvoline as well. But I definitely use this when it comes to gas mileage. I highly recommend you guys. Now I'm changing my oil for my Mitsubishi Outlander 2018. I have an 80,000 miles, 84,000 miles to my Mitsubishi. It builds to last longer. I have a co-worker owns a Mitsubishi. He puts almost 280,000 miles regular oil change, and I do the same thing. I basically do my own oil change and transmission fluid change. I used to change my oil 3,500 to 4,000 miles. I already reached that, whichever campers, or either a 1 year of or a 6 months of using. And my wife is the one driving our vehicle, and I'll change it by myself instead of going to the shop, because I have an automotive background and I love doing it by myself. Okay, and that's my electric jack. Okay, and that's my that's my cat scan, my container that I can catch my oil, and that's it. So I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. If you guys not subscribed to my channel, kindly share, subscribe, and like, and comment down below. I'll catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. Kindly share my channel, like, and subscribe to my channel. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless.